So hi everybody, my name is Jagant Kumar and welcome back to the another video. And in this video I'm going to tell you the 15 Indian villages vegetables in English name so that you can remember these names and use in your day-to-day life conversation. So without any procrastination, let's get started. So first word is Indian figs and cluster fig. You can also say, and you can see that there is a tree of that vegetable. So I will have to climb on this tree and show you. I've climbed on this tree. You can see that. Let me show you. I've climbed on this tree to show you what is Indian figs and cluster fig. You can also say. So let me show you. There are a lot of ants like. So you can see that. I think Indian figs and cluster figs, and it's used as a vegetable, pickles, and curry. You can also use, and I think. It's a good for the blood circulation and the good for the stomach. So I'd highly recommend you that if you are living in the village, so you must try it. So the next word is drumstick, which means soyjan and which is called sahajan in worldwide, I think. It's a healthy food for the body. You can see that it's a drumstick. Come here. It's a drumstick leaf because recently the drumstick hasn't grown on this tree, and I think it comes in the season, so that's why you can see that it's a leaf, and it's a knowledge and it's a useful for the good health. Next word is tara root. I think arubi in our native villages. In our native village, it is called arua, and I'd like to show you this kind of way. You can see that it's a taro root, and let me show you that you can see that it's a taro root, and it's a taro root leaf. It's also called colocasia, Colocasia, colocasia. And I think it's used as a vegetable fritters. And let me tell you about its benefits, that it's a good source of fiber, and it provides lots of energy. So the next vegetable's name is sponge god, which means ghiura. In our native language it is called ghiura. Yeah, let me show you its size. You can see that, uh, and it's a good for the, I mean, it's a good for the skin and liver, and it prevents constipation. You can see that its leaves, there are many leaves, there are the snares of this vegetable. The next vegetable's name is elephant foot yam, and in our society it is called ol. I think, and I relish to eat its vegetables. And let me show you its plant. You can see it's a plant, and I can't show you its root because it's not mine, so this is why. And you can see through the internet images, I put it on the video, and you can see that it's a plant, and its root as well. There are many, there are a couple of trees, sorry, there are a couple of plants of this vegetable, and let me tell you its benefits. So I think it's a good for the weight loss. It loses your fat when you consume it, and second is that it helps in constipation, and I mean that it helps to prevent the constipation. Friends, I hope that you must have enjoyed this video. It was not knowledgeable for you, but it was also knowledgeable for me, because I have been learning lots of vocabularies through making videos, so it's good for me as well. And I think in this video I only talked about 5 Indian indigenous vegetables name, and please write in the comment box, because in the next video I will be talking about the 10 indigenous vegetables name in English. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel, so that I can be encouraged by you, and I make a lots of video for you and for me as well. So I'm going to end this video. Let's meet with the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.